Welcome to another comprehensive video from freestudies.in. Agile Project Management Methodologies have revolutionized the way teams handle complex projects, promoting flexibility, efficiency, and collaboration. Today, we'll explore two of the most popular Agile methodologies, Scrum and Kanban. Scrum is a structured framework that helps teams work together, emphasizing iterative progress through fixed-length sprints, usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Key components of Scrum include specific roles, artifacts, and events. The product owner defines the project vision, manages the product backlog, and ensures the team delivers value. The Scrum Master facilitates the process, resolves impediments, and ensures the team follows Scrum principles. The development team is a cross-functional group responsible for delivering the product increment. Scrum artifacts include the product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. The product backlog is a prioritized list of work to be done. The sprint backlog is the subset of the product backlog items selected for a sprint, plus a plan for delivering them. The increment is the sum of all the completed product backlog items during a sprint, plus all previous increments. Scrum events include sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Sprint planning is a meeting to define the sprint goal and select backlog items for the sprint. The daily Scrum is a 15-minute daily meeting for the team to synchronize activities and plan for the next 24 hours. The sprint review is a meeting at the end of the sprint to inspect the increment and adapt the product backlog. The sprint retrospective is a meeting for the team to reflect on the sprint and suggest improvements. Scrum benefits include predictable delivery schedules, increased team collaboration and accountability, and continuous improvement through retrospectives. However, Scrum requires discipline and commitment to practices and can be rigid with its roles and events. On the other hand, Kanban is a visual workflow management method that aims to improve efficiency by visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and maximizing flow. The Kanban board is the primary tool in Kanban, with columns representing different stages of the workflow and cards representing individual work items. Key principles of Kanban include visualizing work, limiting work in progress, managing flow, and continuous improvement. Visualizing work involves using the Kanban board to show the workflow and track progress. Limiting work in progress means setting WIP limits to prevent overloading the team and ensure a steady workflow. Managing flow focuses on optimizing the movement of work items through the workflow. Continuous improvement encourages teams to regularly review and adapt processes for improvement. Kanban benefits include flexibility to change priorities on the fly, improved workflow transparency and efficiency, and reduction in cycle times for faster delivery. However, Kanban is less structured compared to Scrum and requires a cultural shift towards continuous improvement and discipline in adhering to WIP limits. Choosing between Scrum and Kanban depends on the specific needs and context of the project. Scrum is ideal for projects requiring a clear structure and regular delivery of increments with well-defined roles and responsibilities. Kanban is better suited for teams seeking flexibility and a continuous flow of work without the need for time-boxed iterations. In some cases, teams may combine elements of both methodologies to create a hybrid approach that best suits their workflow and project requirements. In conclusion, both Scrum and Kanban offer valuable frameworks for managing agile projects, each with its distinct advantages and challenges. By understanding the key components and principles of each methodology, teams can make informed decisions about which approach to adopt, ultimately enhancing their project management capabilities and delivering high-quality results. Let's dive deeper into some real-world examples of Scrum in action. Imagine a software development team working on a new mobile app. The product owner gathers requirements from stakeholders and creates a product backlog. During sprint planning, the team selects items from the backlog to work on for the next 2 weeks. Daily Scrums help the team stay aligned and address any blockers promptly. At the end of the sprint, the team demonstrates the working app increment to stakeholders. Feedback is gathered during the sprint review and incorporated into the next sprint's planning. The sprint retrospective allows the team to discuss what went well and what can be improved. This cycle repeats, ensuring continuous delivery of value and improvement. Now let's look at a Kanban example in a marketing team. The team uses a Kanban board to manage their tasks, such as creating blog posts, social media content, and email campaigns. Each task is represented by a card that moves through stages like to do, in progress, and done. WIP limits are set to ensure the team doesn't take on too much work at once. Regular reviews of the Kanban board help identify bottlenecks and optimize workflow. Continuous improvement meetings encourage the team to suggest process enhancements. This approach ensures a steady flow of high-quality marketing content. Whether you choose Scrum, Kanban, or a hybrid approach, the key is to find what works best for your team and project. Experiment, adapt, and continuously improve to achieve the best results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Agile Project Management Methodologies from freestudies.in. Visit freestudies.in for more comprehensive tutorials.